Okay, so ultimately the refrigerator is nice, as you can see. There's a couple of things that I don't like. I don't like, in taking the plastic off, it has plastic on it. And this is still, I can't get this plastic off. I don't know if it's supposed to come off or not, but whatever. Okay. The inside is super nice. Like, oh, I love it. I already put my drinks in there to see. And actually, they're already cold. It's only been charged maybe about 30 minutes. This right here, as you can see, is not steady. So as far as the looks go, I love the look. I love the refrigerator, but I'm not happy with the fact that it is not a steady refrigerator.